Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Ford F-150 XLT. 2010 Ford F-150 XLT, power, performance, and practicality all in one tough truck. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 128,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2010 Ford F-150 XLT, powered by a 4.6L3 V8 engine delivering 292 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, more than enough muscle for all your towing needs, but no, don't tow your neighbor's house. Packed with factory features like air conditioning, power windows, locks, cruise control, and yes, a classic CD player. Finished in Oxford white with a comfortable stone gray cloth interior, this truck feels as good as it looks. With under 128,000 miles, it's ready for many more adventures. Plus, with 15 mpg city and 21 mpg highway, it's fuel efficient too. Clean Carfax, excellent condition. Don't miss out on this unicorn. Come test drive it today. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and rear privacy glass.